Immediately after the earthquake, nobody was really hopeful that the work will be done because the topography was very difficult. But slowly, gradually, we started building the homes, and we really built 100 homes and one school within 18 months' time. We can target other areas with similar type of project where especially vulnerable children and women. We have really appreciated the contribution given by the service tree volunteers and the members from Young Living. And also we are trying our best to make use of every penny of this money donated by the members in a very efficient and effective manner.